Hello kids, let's learn some colors name and shapes. Light pink color, peacock green color, black color, pink color, brown color, orange color, green color, violet color, sky blue color, yellow color, black color, red color. Let's draw the shape. Heart, cross, polygon, ring, quatrefoil, pentagon, dark green color, red color, red, red, R for red, red color, pentagon, red color, pentagon, red color, green color, blue color, blue, BLUE, blue. This is blue color. Quatrefoil. This is quatrefoil. Blue color. Yellow color. Y for yellow. YELLO. Yellow color. Yellow heart. This is yellow color. And the shape is heart shape. Heart. Yellow color. Orange color. ORANGE. This is orange color. Ring, ring, orange color. Ring shape, orange color. Purple color. P for purple, PURPLE, purple color. This is cross, cross shape, purple cross, purple color. Green color, G for green, GREEN. Green color. This is green color. This is polygon. Polygon shape. Green polygon. This is red color. This is blue color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, green color. R for red, RED, red color. B for blue, BLUE, blue color. Y for yellow, YELLO, yellow color. O for orange, ORNGE, orange. P for purple, PURPLE, purple. G for green, GREEN, green. This is trefoil. This is ring, polygon, pentagon, heart, purple, cross, yellow, heart, red, pentagon, blue, quatrefoil, orange, ring, green, polygon. So here's are some colors named red, blue, yellow, orange, purple, green. And the shape is pentagon, heart, cross, polygon, ring, quatrefoil. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.